In the first balloon, we added 1 gram of baking soda, which releases 0.01 moles of CO2 compared to the 0.04 moles of CO2 released from the vinegar. And this shows that the baking soda is the limiting reactant, and that's why the balloon continues to get bigger. For the second balloon, we did the same thing, but since we added 2 grams of baking soda, it converted to 0.02 moles of CO2, which is still less than the amount of CO2 produced by vinegar, allowing the balloon to get bigger. For the third balloon, we did the same thing, except we added 3 grams of baking soda instead of 2. And whenever it converted into 0.04 moles of CO2, which is the same amount of CO2 produced by the vinegar, making the balloon even out.
The fourth reaction produces 0.05 moles of CO2. The fifth reaction produces 0.06 moles of CO2. And the sixth reaction produces 0.07 moles of CO2. In reactions 4 through 6, the balloons begin to level in size due to the fact that the amount of CO2 released by the baking soda is greater than the amount released by the vinegar. This shows that the amount of baking soda is too much to continue reacting with the consistent amount of vinegar.
This is our work, which shows that in reactions 1 through 3, the baking soda is the limiting reactant, but starting in reaction 4, the reaction stops and the baking soda becomes the excess.